Just to show you guys how crazy Google is, and since Google's attached to YouTube, it started playing this random ass show after I got done live streaming about Saturn and lightning on Saturn and the like electrical output of Saturn.
We can hear the static of lightning just as you could with an AM radio going down the highway on Earth.
And this static reveals the power of the lightning that we can't see.
You can measure the energy in those radio waves and compare it with the energy that your radio picks up when there's a thunderstorm around on Earth. And the Saturn ones are big. They're more powerful, maybe 100 times.
And Earth's lightning can help scientists understand how storms work on Saturn.
And as I've said before, volcanoes are... Whenever a volcano erupts, you'll see lightning discharges because of the friction, supposedly. I believe this is a data communication. I believe that lightning is a way to communicate with the Earth from the clouds. I think the clouds are full of stardust. I think the ground is full of sentient fluid. I think this is a communication network, like the synapses of our brains, the neurons in our brains firing electricity from one point to another. The lightning on Saturn is 100 times stronger. It works the same way. I guarantee you this. There's a reason it's called the dark sun. Just a little bit of validation, a little bit of proof. Google shows me this shit right after I get offline. I didn't... It selected it by itself. I had no control over what I was watching. I hadn't yet grabbed the remote. Auto played this. Just saying.